Hi, welcome to Christmas cooking inside Kate's kitchen. Tonight we're going to do a really easy thing called Texas corn casserole. It's a simple dish, it's very easy to put together, and it tastes really, really good. What we've got inside our mixing bowl is 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese and half a stick of butter. We're going to put that down and we're going to put it on low and let that start creaming. As it creams together, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We'll let those mix together real well. Then we're going to add one at a time 3 large eggs. And let each of those work together with it as well. As you can see, the eggs start getting beaten in, and it'll make the whole thing a lot juicier and more liquid. There's the 3rd egg. I'm going to turn off the mixer for a moment. We're going to use our spatula and we're going to scrape down the sides. We want to be sure not to lose any of the butter or the cream cheese. We want to get it all down in there. Kind of hard to see this and do it at the same time, guys. I see it's building up on the beater, so we have to kind of knock it down a little bit. There we go. Now we're going to turn it back on. We're going to put it on medium and let it really go for a while. There we go. It looks a lot better. Now I'm going to add a can of cream-style corn. Any brand, whatever you like. And just put it all in there. Then on top of that, we're going to add a whole can of whole kernel corn. Now the whole kernel corn I have drained, so it's not too wet in there. Now get these all mixed together. By the way, I have buttered a 9x13 pan and I have preheated the oven to 350. We'll let that mix just a little more, and then we're going to put our last ingredient in, which is the Jiffy corn muffin mix. Just 1 box. Let's add that in. That's getting most of it. Last little bit. There we go. Don't know if you can hear, but the motor on the KitchenAid slows down a little because that gets dry and real thick. That's all mixed together. I'm going to put it in the 9x13 pan and I'll bring you back in just a minute. Here we are. Our corn casserole batter is in the greased 9x13 pan and it's getting ready to go in the oven. But I wanted to give you a little hint. I tasted the batter when I first turned off the camera and it needed just a little something extra. Now, as most of you know, I cannot eat vegetable pepper of any kind. I'm very allergic. But the casserole needed something. So I added just a little bit more salt. I took it about 1/8 of a teaspoon more salt. And I added about the same amount of seed pepper. That's the black table pepper. Tasted it again and it tastes really good. Now for those of you who like the peppery vegetable peppers flavors, you could add a jalapeno that you seeded and diced up to that batter and it would be just perfect. I'm going to put it in the 350-degree oven that has been preheating, and we're going to cook it for 35 to 45 minutes. It'll be nice and golden brown on the top when it's done, and I'll bring you back to see it when it's ready. It's 45 minutes later. Here's what our lovely casserole looks like just out of the oven. To test to be sure it's right, you take a toothpick, insert it in the center, and pull it back out. As you can see, it's clean. That means it's done. The other way you can test it, if you have asbestos fingers, is just pat the top, and it bounces back, so that means it's done as well. So what we're going to do is let it cool for about 5 minutes, and we're going to slice up the servings of it and see what Dave thinks. Back in a few minutes. Here we go. Dave gets to try it and let us know. Remember, hon, it's really hot.
Okay. I'll take a very small bite then.
That's a good idea.
That's really good, darling.
Thank you.
I like it.
Is that a thumbs up?
Oh, definitely a thumbs up.
Thanks.
I'll take care of this.
Okay. And there you have it. Texas corn casserole, done the quick and easy way. Another Christmas dish from cooking inside Kate's kitchen. I hope y'all like it, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you back next time. Y'all take care. Bye.